Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder Patrick Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Nikola, gap up. We had 59.26 with our GAN levels projection. Where did it open? It opened at 59.43, pretty much just spot on, just above where we had, and then proceeded to drop back, retesting, filling the gap. We move this out of the way. You can see filling the gap, closing above that significant level, and trying to rotate back up. So for tomorrow, on any rally above 59.85, 62.32, and 64.79 are your major levels. We'll be watching 62.32 to about 63 for your key resistance. This key support is 55. If we did drop below 55, still be watching about 54, 53.88, and then if we drop below that, I'm going to start targeting all the way back below 50 to around 48. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart, so rotation zone flat, major support coming in around that 50, just below that 48 level. So right in here is your major support, but it's got all this resistance on any rally. Keep in mind, it's got all this resistance to get through, and we had a very bullish day for techs, and this couldn't hold on to a rally. So keep that in mind if we're trading lower tomorrow. That's what we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.